One of the most common problems that we come across is people using too many teeth for a ripping application or selecting the wrong saw blade, the wrong number of teeth for the job. I just ran across a company yesterday that was ripping 3-inch thick material, and they were using a 72 tooth 12-inch saw blade, and they were burying the blade 3.5 inches up through the material, and it was just black. Fires were almost starting. Smoke was piling off the machine. I'm going to give you an analogy now that I hope I think it's a good one. You tell me. If a windstorm happens, and up here, we're in Buffalo, New York, so we have wind, we have snow, and the snow piles up and it drops a tree branch off in your backyard, and it's about this thick. Do you want a tree saw, one that's super coarse, it's a bow saw, it's made for cutting tree limbs? Would you rather have that saw? Or would you be happy if I handed you a hacksaw made for cutting pipe? Obviously, it's going to take you forever to try to cut through the tree branch with a hacksaw. Everybody gets it with a hacksaw. Why don't we do it with carbide saw blades? I don't know, because people think the coarser the saw blade, the worse the cut. Or I want a really, really smooth cut, Dan. I want an 80 tooth. I want a 100 tooth saw blade. I'm going to rip that wood and it's going to give me a mirror finish. You really want the right number of teeth, and I'll show you why. Right now we're going to talk about some saw geometry. We're going to talk about tangential clearances, and I think things are going to make a lot more sense when you see side clearance and the clearances that are built into your saw blade from the manufacturer.